In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted photos on your Android or iPhone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, I'll go to the gallery. I'm going to delete this picture right here. So click on delete. Now in order to recover the photo, you need to download this application from the Play Store called ULT Data. Once the application is downloaded and installed, open it. Click on agree. Select whether you want to recover photos, videos, audios or documents. I'll go with photos. And as you can see right here that the deleted photo is recovered. So select the photo that you want to recover and then click on the save option, and that's it. In this way you can recover your deleted photos, videos, audios or documents on your Android or iPhone. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.